this is our pilot project. First of all, we started welding because welding is one of our 14 trades. We want to spread out the message that trade does not have any gender.
The idea came to try and get women involved in welding, introducing them to the trade of manufacturing and welding and seeing if they like it.
It was recommended to me by one of my tech teachers. There was an email sent to everyone, and it was talking about welding. I'm like, that sounds really fun. I got involved through a guidance counselor at my school. And it was just like on a PA announcement, like they were like, there's a welding program for grade 9s and 10s, and there's gonna be free food. I was interested in welding before that, but the free food.
Have we ever done anything like this before?
No, we have not. Our school doesn't really offer anything that's really similar to this, so this is a great opportunity.
I really enjoy doing hands-on projects, so I thought this course would be a good opportunity to show what I can do. I do enjoy working in the trades. I have done multiple construction courses, and I really like building and hands-on work.
It's been fun just to experience it because it's not every day you gotta do something like this, so it's a fun opportunity.
So I've had a really good time. It's been really fun, and the instructor's amazing.
No, I don't think I'm very good at it, but it was good like experiencing it, or at least trying it out. Now I know I should not go into it as a career. I don't know, like I'm kind of into the art stuff, so I think it was really cool to explore like a different way to like make things, so that was kind of cool.
It's actually really fun once you like start to figure things out. But a lot of people like me, I thought multiple times like everything that could go wrong and everything that could go away. And it's actually a pretty safe environment to like do it because you have people watching you and making sure you're doing everything right. I don't know, I just like that you can like be creative and put things together and use like different materials that you've never used before.
In this program, my favorite thing to build was a rose. We bended a lot of metal, and I also got to cut a lot of pieces, and just seeing the finished product made me feel really happy.
Coming closer to the end of my career, I'm always looking for inspiration. And so when young minds are excited to go and try something new and possibly go into the trade, it does really inspire me as a teacher.
Yes, I do see myself working in the trades in the future. My dad's an electrician, so I'd love to be something like that, or a welder. I would love to go into the trades more. I'm not quite sure about welding, but I love the trades. I can see myself working in the trades in the future, and it's just like getting there. I have to figure it out.
What would we tell other girls? We would tell other girls, well, definitely try everything, try anything, and don't be scared.
I'd say the shop is not a place for guys. I say it's a place for anyone. It's for everybody, anyone who wants to do it.